Welcome to another quick review. Today we're looking at the Hupar laser pole. All right, guys, reality check. If you got a nice laser, but you never can get it to the area that you need to actually be able to use it. So if you're putting, say, tile in a bathroom or you're hanging cabinets and you've got a regular tripod, but the regular tripod only goes up to maybe 6 feet, you struggle finding a way to make a laser work. You stack things on top of things, boxes, whatever, ladders, trying to get it right. And it really makes using your laser painful. That's why I like this, laser pole made by Hupar. Now, this laser pole is awesome because I can use it for doing all kinds of things, from setting tile in a bathroom because it has a tripod and I don't have to go all the way to the ceiling when I'm using a tripod. Or if I have a 12-foot ceiling and I'm needing to set something really high, make sure that it's level, like crown molding, I can use the extensions, take off the tripod, it has a spring-loaded foot so that I can actually set it directly on a ceiling and lock it into place. Comes with a 1/4-inch little connector so that pretty much any laser that's made today is going to use that 1/4-inch connector. Now, this is an all aluminum construction. I get 5 of these. So if I'm hanging cabinets, I'm going to be able to hit that line. If I'm putting in crown molding, I can actually put that line up there really quick, really easy, without struggling, and be exact every time. They have the little measurement increments on here so that I can dial in something quickly. So if I'm trying to put up this range hood, not counting the chimney, but I need to get the range itself in the exact spot, it's going to be this location here. So simply take the big handle and I can quickly move this up or down. So let's get it close. We're real close to the area we need to go, right there. We're going to lock it in. And now they give you something else. You have another knob right here. This is my fine-tune knob. So I'm very, very close, but I'm just a little under. So all I'm going to do is crank this a little bit and play with it and get it right where it needs to be. So basically on that fine tune, there is a plate and it sets on it, slides up and down. So I always start my measurements when I move the big handle with that plate being centered. That means I've got a big space on each side, up or down, to be able to move it and get it fine-tuned in exactly where I want to get it. Now, one last thing that I think is fantastic about this unit is the fact that it is so heavy made, it is great for a contractor. It's great to be able to throw in a truck, throw in a trailer, and rock and roll on down the road to the next job. And they even give you a case to put everything in, so it makes it super easy. So if you're looking for a great way to be able to set your laser on any projects that you're doing, I don't think you're going to go wrong with this one. Do yourself a favor, pick yourself up one today. We'll see you guys on the next review.